Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Aurora stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and the double crochet V-stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4 plus 3. I have already made 27 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet V-stitch into the 5th chain from your hook. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and a double crochet V is going to be a double crochet, chain 1, and then double crochet all into that same chain. Skip 1 chain, into this next one make a single crochet. Skip 1 chain, and then into this next one make a double crochet V-stitch. Skip 1 chain, make a single crochet into the next one. Then skip 1 chain and make a double crochet V into the next chain. So now you're going to start repeating this sequence. Skip a chain, single crochet, skip a chain, double crochet V, until you have 2 chains left in this row. Once you have 2 chains left in this row, you're going to skip 1 chain and then into the last chain of this row, make a double crochet. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. Into the first stitch of this row, make a double crochet. Now we're going to start making the opposite stitches of the stitches we made in our last row. This is a double crochet V stitch. Into that double crochet V, make a single crochet. And this is a previous single crochet. Into this stitch, make a double crochet V. Again, this is a double crochet V from our last row. Make a single crochet into that stitch. And then this is a previous single crochet, make a double crochet V stitch into that stitch. Now you're going to alternate between making a single crochet into a previous double crochet V and a double crochet V into a previous single crochet until you reach the chains at the end of this row. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to have some chains left. Into those chains, make 2 double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. You're going to skip the first 2 stitches of this row. You're going to work into this previous single crochet. We're again going to be making the opposite stitches into these stitches from our last row. So skipping these 2 into this single crochet, make a double crochet V-stitch. Then into this next double crochet V-stitch, make a single crochet. Into this next previous single crochet, make a double crochet V-stitch. Then into this previous double crochet V, make a single crochet. Now you're going to continue on making a double crochet V-stitch into any previous single crochet and a single crochet into any previous double crochet V-stitch until you reach the last chains of this row. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to have 1 stitch and then some chains left. Work 1 double crochet into those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Aurora stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.